Meaning of gentleman's gentleman.
Gentleman's gentleman.
Gentleman's gentleman.
Gentleman's gentleman.
Gentleman's gentleman. Gentleman's gentleman is a historical term that refers to a personal servant who attends to the needs of a wealthy or aristocratic gentleman. The phrase is often used to describe the role of a male personal valet, who is responsible for grooming and dressing the gentleman, taking care of his wardrobe and personal belongings, and ensuring that he is presentable at all times. The term is an example of the hierarchical social structure that existed in the past, where those of high status had the resources to hire individuals to take care of their daily needs.